Good morning. Hi, A3. I miss you guys so much. So today, I'll be reading Little Blue Truck. If you're ready for a ride, beep along. If you're ready for a ride, beep along. Beep along with Little Blue. It is a friendly thing to do. If you're ready to ride, beep along. Go beep, beep. If the cows is in the corn, beep along. If the cow's in the corn, beep along. If the cows is in the corn, give a wave and beep your horn. If the cows is in the corn, beep along, beep, beep. If the pigs is in the clovers, beep along. If the pigs are in the clover, beep along. If the pigs are in the clover and the goats is jumping over, if the pigs are in the clover, beep along, beep, beep. If the frogs are busy hopping, beep along. If the frogs are busy hopping, beep along. If the frogs are busy hopping, they will never think of stopping. If the frogs are busy hopping, beep, beep, beep. If the horses begins to neigh, stop along. If the horse begins to neigh, beep along. If the horse begins to neigh, beep is what you ought to say. If the horse begins to neigh, beep along. Beep, beep. If you take a ride with Blue, beep along. It's a friendly thing to do. Beep along. Beep to all your friends. The way the story ends, if you take a ride with Blue, beep along. Beep, beep.